In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import dividend data into Google Sheets. Get real-time dividend tracking. Open your Google Sheet and go to the Stock Watchlist tab where you want your dividend tracker to live. Start by setting up a simple header row with the key columns you need: ticker, shares, price, annual dividend, dividend yield, and annual income. Keeping these in this order makes the formulas easier to copy down later, and it keeps your sheet readable when you add more positions. Under ticker, type the stock or fund symbol for each holding. In the shares column, enter how many shares you own. Now for the real-time price, click into the first cell under price and use the Google Finance function. Type equals Google Finance, then reference the ticker cell in the same row, and set the attribute to price. For example, if your first ticker is in cell A2, your formula will look like Google Finance A2 price. Press enter and give it a moment. If you see a loading message, that is normal while Google pulls the data. Next is annual dividend. Google Finance does not reliably provide a clean annual dividend amount in a single cell, so you will enter this manually based on the current forward dividend shown on a trusted finance website or company filings. Click into the annual dividend cell for each row and type the annual amount per share. Once price and annual dividend are in place, calculate the dividend yield. In the dividend yield cell for the row, type the annual dividend divided by the current price, like D2/C2 if annual dividend is in column D and price is in column C. After that, calculate annual income. In the annual income cell, multiply shares by annual dividend, like B2*D2. Copy these yield and income formulas down for the rest of your tickers, so every row updates automatically. To make yield easier to read, format the dividend yield column as a percent using the Format menu, then number, then percent. Finally, add totals at the bottom. Use SM to total your annual income column. For overall portfolio yield, use SM F2 F6/SM product B2 B6 C2 C6, adjusting the ranges to match your list. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.